Hi, I'm Jennifer Allardyce, a volunteer from Pro Bono Hong Kong. I'm here today with Karen Wong of Unity Chambers. In our previous video, we've discussed domestic violence surrounding the coronavirus, and today we'll be talking about seeking interim legal relief.
Thank you, Jennifer. So in terms of legal remedies, if there are issues of domestic violence in your family, you can consider making an urgent application to the court to seek an injunction against the abuser. An injunction order could serve a few purposes. First, it could restrain the abuser from further harassing you and your children. Second, it could order the abuser to leave your residence and prohibit them from re-entering. In Hong Kong, where living space is particularly small and housing is very expensive, the abuser may not have the financial ability to afford an alternative accommodation. In that case, an injunction order can be framed to restrict the abuser from entering a certain area of the residence. When making an injunction order, the court also has the power to order the abuser to participate in programs aiming to change his or her abusive attitude and behavior. Under the current law, the injunction relief is available not just to married couples, but also cohabitating relationships between different or same-sex couples. Even if you have already separated from the abuser, or the abuser is your relative, say the grandparents, uncle, auntie of you or your children, you could also seek an injunction against them. However, there are a few points that you have to remember before applying for an injunction order. Firstly, injunctive relief is only a short-term remedy. The duration of any injunction order could not exceed 2 years. Secondly, it is only for cases with strong evidence in support that the court will make an injunction order. This is particularly so if an order removing the abuser from a specified residence is granted. These types of order will only be granted in extreme circumstances and as a last resort. Thirdly, an injunction order does not affect the ownership rights in relation to the residence. It merely suspends the abuser's rights in relation to the residence for the limited period of the injunction. Before making an application, do remember to first seek legal advice, gather sufficient evidence, including photographs, medical reports, police reports in support of your application. If a serious violent incident is happening to you or your family, you should report the matter to the police or call a 24-hour service hotline provided by these NGOs. They could provide you with immediate intervention and outreach services. Please do not hesitate to seek help. Domestic violence is not something to be ashamed of. No one, and even your beloved one, should be allowed to resort to violence in order to vent his or her anger.
Thanks for that, Karen. If you do find yourself in such a situation, please do seek help. There are more resources and links in the description below. This video is a part of our COVID-19 series. You can find out more information in the description below.